Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll teach us how to attach a zipper to a skirt using this piece of fabric to keep things simple and clear. My fabric is folded into two. We are going to assume that this is the wrong side of the skirt. The first thing I will do is to determine where I want the zipper to stop. I will measure 7 inches, then I will measure 1 inch for the zipper allowance. You can also make it 2 inches. I will go over to the sewing machine to stitch it down. I have done that and this is what it looks like. I also went ahead to open it with my pressing iron. The next thing we are going to do is to place the zipper on the crease line, pin it in place. You can also apply this method on a dress or pants. I will do the same thing at the other side. Zip it up and pin it down using my pins to hold it down to the actual fabric. I've gone ahead to pin the both side of the zipper. Let's go over to the sewing machine to stitch it together. Before I will start stitching, I will switch over to my zipper foot. This is how the zipper foot look like. I'm switching over to my zipper foot so I will be able to sew the zipper properly. So we are going to take out our pins, zip the zipper open, then let's start sewing. Now the first thing we are going to do is to make a back stitch, then try to keep the stitching nice and close to the zipper teeth but not too close so you do not jam the zipper. As you sew, take off your pins so you don't break the machine needle. So guys, if you have watched to this point and you're finding this video interesting, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So we are done with this part of the zipper. Let's move to the other side of the zipper. I will do the same thing at the other side. Take off my pins. I will back stitch and remove the pins as I sew. Then try to keep your stitching nice and close to the zipper teeth, but not too close, so you don't break your machine needle. Take off your pins so you don't break your machine needle. Your zipper is attached and working beautifully. The next thing we are going to do is to fold the edges of the zipper. As you can see, I can zip it up and zip it down without stress. The next thing we are going to do is to fold the edge of the zipper. I will go over to my machine and I'm going to top stitch half inches. I will fold the zipper towards the zipper allowance. I will top stitch by half inches and I will be right back. And there you go, your zipper is attached and working beautifully. This method works for skirts, dresses and skirts. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next tutorial.